You learned English tenses for years. You memorized tables. You did exercises. But still, when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. Why? Because you learned tenses the wrong way. Today's lesson will change how you see all 12 tenses forever. Not one tense, not two tenses, but all 12 with one simple approach. Watch till the end, because the final part is where everything connects.
LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. Today's lesson is not another grammar class. This is a mindset plus system lesson. If you understand this approach, tenses will stop confusing you. Grammar fear will disappear. Speaking will become natural, so please don't skip. This lesson is like building a house, foundation first. Most students learn tenses like this: present tense, past tense, future tense. One by one, separate rules, separate formulas. This is the biggest mistake. English does not have 12 different systems. English has time, view, context. Once you understand this, all 12 tenses become logical, not scary. First question you must ask: when does the action happen? There are only 3 times in English: present, now, or regularly. Past, already finished. Future, not yet happened. That's it. So forget 12 tenses for a moment. Start with 3 times. Simple, calm, clear. Now comes the secret part. English doesn't change tense because of time only. It also changes based on how you see the action. There are 4 views: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Let's take one by one with example sentences. I ate rice. I went home. I am eating, I was sleeping. I have eaten, I had finished. I have been working for 5 years. I have been reading this since Monday. Time plus view is tense. This is the formula no one teaches you. Now, let's combine them. Present. Present simple. Present continuous. Present perfect. Present perfect continuous. Past. Past simple. Past continuous. Past perfect. Past perfect continuous. Future. Future simple. Future continuous. Future perfect. Future perfect continuous. Notice something? Same logic, same system, different time. Most students ask,
Teacher, what is a formula?
wrong question. Right questions are, when is the action? Is it happening or finished? Is duration important? If you answer these 3 questions, the tense chooses you. Fluent speakers don't think present perfect or past perfect. They think, is this finished? Is the result important? This lesson trains your thinking, not your memory. That's how confidence is built. English tenses are not enemies. They are tools. Once you stop fearing them, English starts working for you. And remember, you don't need perfect grammar to speak. You need clear thinking. Before we get to the final message, I have a small favor to ask. What do you think of the channel so far? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback helps me make better videos for you. If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe to LELTA, and comment, I understand tenses now. In the next lessons, we will break down each tense with real-life usage in a way your brain loves. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking. English is not hard. Your approach was wrong.